Hi guys! Welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for a quick tutorial on how to use these Beebeecraft's oval cabachons to decorate and embellish some of your paper crafts. So as you can see in this bowl, it is filled with a good variety of different prints, and so you can basically match this with any project that you would like. So today I'm going to focus on embellishing some paper crafts, and so when I think or see mosaic, I think bohemian. So I decided to make a boho tag here. So here's what our tag looks like. We have this beautiful floral piece here, beautiful stamp of a girl, some layering of paper, and some trim. Now, these remind me of enamel dots, only in an oval form. So when you add it to some of your ephemera, it just adds a little bit more dimension. So here you can see how it works well at the center of our flower here. Now I can definitely look through some of these and see which one will work better, and I feel like this one looks really nice. I also have this other one here with some nice white and blue flowers that kind of match the stamp here. So I'm kind of leaning probably towards either this, because I kind of like the blue and the yellows in there as well. So we'll start off with this, and I'm going to show you how to decorate our tag hole here with a brad, and super easy. So I already did a cutout of the circle piece. I have this circle brad that I think I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm just going to attach our little stock paper here that I picked on there. Done. Oops. So we have this piece now, looks really plain. So what I'm going to do is put it through here, and we're going to complete that look by adding one of these pieces. So let's add this first, and then I'll go ahead and put the other one on our brad. So I'm just going to put some tacky glue and put that beautiful piece there. So it just pops on top of the pink and just again adds that beautiful dimension to our card. It's so pretty. So next we're going to put this brad in, and you see how it looks really plain, but once we add, so I picked one of these and I thought it would stand out really well. So I'm gonna add that to our brad to decorate it. So again, these are simple and super easy, fun ideas on how to decorate your journal tags using these. So we'll let that dry. I'll just wipe that off. So there you have it. So I'm going to put this aside and show you another fun idea on how to decorate your paper crafts. So here's one where I have a box, and right now we have a little jewel trim here. So it looks still pretty plain, but we can dress it up again with these wonderful prints. So I picked out this yellow one. I thought it would look great against our lid here with the gems and the green in the background. So let's just apply some of our glue. And then attach it there. And you can definitely use different variety and do different patterns. And that's the beauty of having so many choices. You can definitely play around with this and just put them on. So again, it just adds a little bit more of a beautiful decorative element and charm to your box. So if you were making a jewelry box that you wanted to give as a gift, I think this would be a great way to decorate it. These are so pretty. So you would just repeat the pattern and go around. So that's idea number 2. We'll just have to center this one here. I think that's centered. And then the next piece we're going to make is a bohemian styled little dangle or journal little charm. So I found this feather in my stash and I added a little charm here with this teal blue little key that looks very nice, and I pulled out some of these beads, and so we're going to go ahead and put this all together and then pick out one of these to embellish our feather. So I'm just going to use some thread and I'm going to double knot this, and then we will just go ahead and have fun threading in, putting on different styles of beads, and then I'll trim that in just a sec. So I am thinking I want to go with this color first. I think that goes well with that, and then how about some dark blue? I love adding charms to my traveler's notebook or junk journal, so if you are a planner girl and you like adding these elements, these are super easy to make. Where is the hole? There it is. So we have that. I think I'll add some of this cute blue. And I think this big guy here, and we'll do pink, and I think I will end with my blue. So now I'm going to attach it to a lobster claw little hook here. I could put a jump ring, but this one's pretty big and I think it'll work fine. I'm just going to double knot that again. So we have our feather here, and I'm going to trim that. Usually if I don't want to see, hold on, we gotta tighten that. If I don't want to see the thread, I just go through our beads again and then just trim it. So just sew it in there and then trim it right about here. Let's see. Okay, so now we have our feather little dangle charm here. I'm going to trim this part as well. And I'm going to pick a little piece that will complement these colors. So that's not quite the one I want to go with. That looks pretty cool. Let's see. There are so many. I mean, I like all of these. So we have pinks and greens and blues. Let's see what fits this style the best. Okay. This one has that feather feel to me, so I think I'm going to go with this one and go ahead and apply some glue on that. I'm going to use this one, the E6000, so we have a stronger hold. Just a little bit. Here you have it. Here's another look at how we use these oval cabochons. First, on our tag, I used a brad and decorated it with this beautiful print. It adds more character to our tag. And right below, we see this floral ephemera. Putting one of those pieces on top creates some dimension on our card. So the next idea is to do patterns using these pieces. And here we have an example of a jewel trim on a box. And you can use as many or as little as you want, depending on how much ornate you'd like your box to look like. And finally, our third idea here is to create a charm dangle for our traveler's notebook or junk journal, and or planners as well. So we have a feather silver piece here that I've embellished with that beautiful oval mosaic piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial showing you 3 different ideas on how to use these Beebeecraft's oval mosaic cabochons. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye!